Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Keith, and I was born and raised in Jamaica, West Indies. Now, today I'm going to show you how I make barbecue chicken. So now I'm going to wash my chicken. So I got a green lime. I already washed the lime. So I juice it on the chicken like this. And remember to always wash your hand first before you start anything in your kitchen. Okay? So now, wash my chicken. Yeah. Yes, then I put it in the pan like this. Now, these are my seasoning that I'm going to use on my chicken. I'm going to use jerk seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, paprika, and black pepper. Black pepper. Okay. Then pimento. I don't know, but we Jamaicans, we like pimento. These are the pimento. So I sprinkle it on the chicken like this. And then sweet pepper, which is the red pepper, the green pepper also. Scallion. These are I already washed. I washed them before. In case you might be saying you didn't wash them, I already washed them. I always wash my stuff before I use them. Okay. Now this is thyme. Okay, this is onions, medium-sized onion. And a few pegs of garlic. And I have a nice sized tomato. And then I rubbed in the seasoning like this. Wow, it smells so good. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for a short while. Then I will show you the finished product when I'm finished. Okay? Yes, thank you. After a few hours, this is the result of the chicken, of the baked chicken. It's baked, so now I'm going to add the barbecue sauce to it. Okay? I'm going to add the barbecue sauce. This is homemade barbecue sauce. You know, I should use a brush, but my brush is damaged, so I don't have a brush right now, but it's okay. I'm going to use this fork and spread it all over. Yeah. Yes. This is the result of it. Now I'm going to put it back in the oven for a few minutes, then take it out. Chicken. Now this is my finished barbecue chicken. Tell me what you like about it. Let me know what you think. See you later. Bye.